Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this is my Quicke bale grab, and you can see that roll is nice and tight. This one now. It's all wiggling in that joint there. Reason is there's a bearing here and a bearing there, and this front one is clearly on its way out. So we're going to change it before it actually goes. Is pretty common for these to go because they're sealed for life bearings. There's no way to grease them, no grease up, nothing there, so we just eventually rust away really. So I have a bolt on the back here. Get that off, and then you just knock a shaft through really. So that actually came out too easily. And if you look here, got half here out the race here, and the half here. So the race is completely split in half. It would probably spread a bit, that's what the wear was. But it is pretty rusty as well, so needed changing anyway. I fit the new bearings, but this bearing just slid in, so the collar is a bit worn. So I put a bit of Loctite around it, and I've taken off to flip it on its back, so this can actually dry and set there.